In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to save StudioVerse mixing chains so that you can use them later in StudioRack. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Che. I make music production tutorials on YouTube on mixing and mastering, so consider subscribing, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Let me show you how to save on both StudioVerse and on your computer. So let's say for example this is a vocal chain that you found on StudioVerse and you like it, you'd love to use it later again in your mix. What you can do is come here, just click on Save As. Then this will pop up right here. It will ask you to save either to StudioVerse or local file. Let's first start with local file right here. You give it a name here. So we'll just say lead vocal chain, and you can save it to any location of your choice on the computer. So I'll click here. So for now I'm just going to save it into the default StudioRack presets. I'll just click on that. So now I've saved this to my computer. The next time I come, I just need to click here and go to local, click lead vocal chain, then it will come here. That's how you save to your computer. Now you can also save this on StudioVerse, so you could be somewhere else mixing, but you can still reach out to your favorite preset in the StudioVerse database. So what you can do is simply click on the same here, go to Save As, then this time around make sure you check StudioVerse, then just give it a name. If you need an image, you can add an image there, add some tags if it's a lead vocal, male vocal, whatever it is, then you can simply save it. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. See you in my next video. Peace.